Hey coders, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are talking about where you have to register yourself to creating Alexa and Google Assistant app. So guys, for account creation process you have to register yourself for two platforms. One is Action on Google platform and second was is Alexa Developer Console. So you have to register yourself for in those two platforms, and that is also totally free. There is no cost of publishing apps in their store, so that is also free because this was free because these platforms are very new, so there is not very much developers available for creating this kind of apps, so that platform is currently free. So there is some perks available also. So if you publish your skill in their store, and if it's got some milestone like 1 million requests, then you got a Google Home device or a Google Home t-shirt. Like this t-shirt was also provided by the Google team. So, and guys, I'm also going to tell you that which framework I'm using in this video series, and how you can install that. I'm going to tell you that in my laptop, so you can follow along with me and install that framework in your PC. So guys, that framework name was Jovo, and I'm using Jovo till last 6 months, and before 6 months I am using the native app development. Like I'm using the Action on Google documentation for creating apps for Google Assistant, and for Alexa I have to read their another documentation. So that was a tough task because I have to read two different documentations for that. So there is a one platform called Jovo. You can create cross-platform apps with that. So you just need to read one documentation and you good to go. So you can create two platform apps by just one documentation. So that was an easy task. So I recommend to use Jovo for your projects. So guys, let's move to my laptop and I tell you that how you can do those things for creating accounts and installing that framework. So guys, for creating Action on Google account, you just have to type Action on Google on your Google search, and just go to the Action on Google console over there, and after going there you just have to create an account there, and if you have already Google account then you can log in with that account. That was incognito mode, and now I'm going to open up my account and tell you that how it looks after you creating that account. So that will look like that. There is showing all my projects. You just have to click on the new project button, and you can create a project. So yeah guys, I will create the new project in the next video and show you that how this will work. And so that so now let's move into the Alexa Developer Console account. So you, for Alexa Developer Console, you just need to type Alexa Developer Console and go to this site and register yourself there. So if you have already Amazon account, then you can log in with that account, no problem. After login, yeah, you can create account with that. So after login, how it looks, let me show you that how it looks. So I'm going to open up my Alexa Developer Console and show you that how it looks after you log in that. So guys, that will look like that. You have a create skill button over there, and you just have to press that button and you can create skills for yourself. So I'm going to tell you that in the next video that how you can create skills and intents over there. I'm going to tell you that in the next video, so waiting for my next video. So that was done, the Action on Google and Alexa part. So guys, now let's talk about Jovo. So let's go to the Jovo's website. That was jovo.tech. Here so guys, in the Jovo's main landing page you have a video, so you can watch that video for better understanding, and you can press learn more to learn more about Jovo platform. And so I'm going to just go to the get started page and tell you that how you can install that. You just have to write this command in your PC and in your terminal, and it will good to go and install Jovo in your PC. So what you have to do is you should already have Node.js installed in your PC. Be- Without Node.js, it cannot possible to install Jovo in your PC. So if you don't know how to install Node.js, just go to YouTube and search for how you can install Node.js. So from there you can find a proper video there. So in the next video, I'm going to create an app for Alexa and Google Assistant, so you have a better understanding that how those things work. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please go down below and subscribe my channel.